I'm about to show you Census's Reports feature within the Census Search user interface. While Census Search has a great host filters function to quickly narrow results, limited browser real estate requires some truncation to just the top results of main fields. But if I want to browse the results of a query with a longer list of, say, software products, or I'd like to browse a field not included in the host filters, Report will solve this for me. Today, I'm going to Russia to find hosts running possible exploit kits like Metasploit. Once I've entered my initial query to get to Russia, I simply navigate to the Report tab. After this, I select the parse field that I'm interested in the breakdown field. Then, I select the number of results that I want. Now, I don't remember the exact syntax of each data field we have, but the autocomplete function lets me find it quickly, in this case, software products. Then I click Build Report. Now I can browse the top 1,000 software instances within Russia for possible nefarious software. Here's Metasploit, a well-known open source exploitation kit used by penetration testers. In this case, it looks like we have 16 instances. And all I have to do is click. And now we have a query that lets us see all of the hosts in Russia using Metasploit. Remember, you can use virtually any one of our parsed fields to browse data of interest within our reports function.